finally here, man. Freedom Factory. You ready to get a tandem in or what?
Fresh meat, dude.
What's going on, guys? We finally made it to Bradenton, Florida. Got the cars here. We are finally going to make it to the Freedom Factory and drop the cars off. Event starts tomorrow.
Yeah, we found a hitchhiker.
Found a hitchhiker at the Airbnb, aka a squatter.
Good morning.
What's up, dude?
How you doing?
Good. How you doing?
I'm great.
Drop these cars off. Probably detail the truck. Jeff is complaining about his tire that he decided to leave somewhere.
I have a tire machine.
We're gonna drop off everything in the truck, the trailer and cars at the track, so we don't have to worry about it, and then go figure out our day. When we get back, I'll give you guys a tour of our Airbnb because it's pretty nice. But hey, let's get on the road, head over to the Freedom Factory. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, see? It's perfect.
Slide it down a little bit.
Kink. Here, look, I got you.
No.
Right on top of the GTO.
Oh, look, the tire will fit right here.
Ooh, those big sticks.
Little gator. It's kind of our mission while we're in Florida. We need to see at least one gator.
It's gonna wrangle a gator.
I'm
gonna film it.
I got my tape right here. Dude, it's pretty hot already.
It's hot as fuck.
It's pretty hot already.
Slow learners, go ahead, act up, get smacked in the head with the burner. I don't fight fair, I'm dirty.
The Freedom Factory. Pulling up, seeing so many videos at this place, it's kind of tight being here.
Is he just sitting here talking, or what are they doing?
So we made it. Pulled up to the Freedom Factory. We're gonna load the cars and do a little tour.
Happened to us.
Oh, Jesus.
Here's the plugs.
So we got a blowout on the way here. All right. So, got a random flat in the middle of nowhere. I don't even know where we're at. I think we're almost in Arizona.
Did it rip the cables in there? No.
I know what's wrong with it.
Professional banger.
Oh, geez, no diddy.
No.
And then now we got a screw in one of the trailer tires.
Rob, they got you working, Rob.
Yeah, man. Come over here. I thought I was kind of on holidays.
On holidays
Yeah.
now. Steady had to come look at these buckets.
Yeah.
Is that the real drift cat?
Hello.
Hello.
We got
I'm here.
Jeff cameraman today.
Jeez.
Johnny Peelers. Cars unloaded. Pretty crazy seeing this place after all these years, watching YouTube videos, and finally here, man. The damn Freedom Factory. I'm hyped. Now we're gonna go tech. We are in the open burnout comp. Let's see. Drag strip. All right, getting teched in. What's up, Rob?
I don't know if I'm going to let you in yet.
No?
Nah, I'll think about it.
Go over there, Ricky.
Got tagged in. Now let's go have some fun somewhere. Big toter. Yeah.
Loud in there.
Is it?
You didn't feel one. First peeler.
First peeler, huh?
This is the first peeler mark.
Nice. What an absolute unit.
Mr. Sam?
How you doing, sir? Good to see you.
Matt, nice to meet you.
If you go, how's your day been?
Pretty good.
Good deal.
He's got in from California.
All right, all right.
How about you, sir?
Great.
Yeah.
Good to have you here.
This thing is bad.
Those tires are done, Dag. I know. They're rolling down the ground. Okay, I was going to say. That maybe we went into.
Damn. That 3D printed thing's a little melted, huh?
So Ty re-3D printed our intake, made it thicker. Oh, dude. It's literally rock solid. This thing is a wreck. Were you talking about me after the drive? There's a couple of us around here.
Things are cooked. You ready to get a tandem in or what?
Hey,
You said you wanted to with the Hellcat, huh?
I definitely ain't ready to tandem the Blackwing yet. That was my third run ever in it, so. But I'm building that confidence, then we can talk.
All right, all right. So what product are you using to get that off?
Oh, I just.
Spray wax? I got some of your glass cleaner. It works really well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great, great. Yeah, if we just relax, I think take the spray wax and take that off. And also leave you a good shine with it.
Yeah, it does. Got some fresh niddles on there, Jackson?
Fresh meats, dude.
All right.
Every time. Let's go ahead and get these out of the way.
Won't need those where we're going.
Ain't gonna need them where we're going.
Those Con's eyes look good on you. Hey, Cleet, you want to drive a Hellcat?
Is that what is in that?
Yeah.
That's it.
6-speed angle kit and shit.
I saw you driving. It looks badass.
Yeah, it's
I
fun.
gotta edit still today, so I gotta shoot this and go edit. But if I'm around like tomorrow, and there's a chance, let's do it.
All right, fuck yeah.
It is a little tight in there with all the stages and stuff.
Yeah, it looks a little tight.
It's tight.
Looks
So
a little
I don't know. I mean,
Let's rip some
we'll
donuts
see.
or whatever.
Yeah,
Whatever you
let's not
want.
mark it off yet.
How you like this thing so far?
Having a ball.
Yeah.
Having a ball, dude. Really excited.
Yeah, it does.
Bad when that happens before you untwist it.
I know. I was dragging over here. I was like, ah. Corporate team. Two Australians. Two Siggy butt brains.
Or Andy's probably freaking out in the back.
Yeah, that thing gets down.
Tell you what, I can't wait for mine to be done.